must get out of the way. Is he for real?
Apparently.
I'm here all the time. There's Reese. Oh, you're here?
I was here early.
I've been here for 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm just like, I thought I'll just come down and fish the jetty till you get here.
That's what I've been doing.
I'm going to go back and get my gear. Alright, ready to roll. Got a knot in that I've got to get out before we start. Certainly a lot of fresh in here. Looks good.
You didn't even smell it.
Yeah. There's plenty of seagulls and stuff around too, so there's, but where's seagulls, there's food. Yeah, let's move. Hey? Like I can see on that one. Oh yeah, they've been feeding on this one too. They're here. The only trouble is the current's going to be flying past, so. Oh yeah, look at all the chew marks. Oops, sorry. Oh, they're definitely there, but I think we're just going to fly too quick past them. Well, can you see the green slime there on the wall? See how it's got those patches?
Yep.
Well, those patches mean the bream have been feeding along there. So they're in the area. So they should be sitting on those pipes, and judging by the big hit you just had, they are here. Oh. Gotcha. It's a great idea, that magnet. Yeah, it's a real good idea. I've seen them for squid jigs.
Oh.
Another good hit? Hey?
Yeah, just here.
Followed you all the way out. Well, you're saying you noticed those black beetles and stuff. Maybe a little black diver would be the go.
What a black diver.
Yeah, I'm one of that one too. That's it. We just found them. And you just let that just stay there for a lot longer, eh?
Yeah, load the retrieve here.
Yep. That's exactly what we were looking for. And they're stacked up here too, because I've just started winding that plastic and whack, whack. Oh, a big flatty. Ah, you got the net?
Yeah, in that box. It's no bad size either.
Yeah, that's why I asked for the net. Oh, Taylor. Hey. Nice.
Yeah.
Just behave yourself, Mr. Flathead.
Your wife's on the right.
I'm going to find a little clip button. Nice. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Well done. A little tailor come up. I was getting brim waxed while I was watching you. Looks more brimmy like. So he's shaking his head a bit. Oh no, another little flatty. Cheeky bugger. Swing him in. Caught the net. You got him?
Yeah.
I'm just going to put that back in my pocket for a while. We found them all just schooled up. There's a current line going off that point. We're just casting in here, and there's licorice all sorts, including these guys. And just, you want to creep slowly out. See that pipe there? See where the pelican is? Yeah, well that pipe goes out about 50 yards, so you sort of got to go, yeah, at this angle. Yeah, you'll just hit mud here. Yep. I'm sure it's the pipe off Finding Nemo. You know, the one the crabs are sitting on. When you have a look at it, it's identical.
And go home and watch it now.
Yeah. It's an educational show, that Finding Nemo. It's got, yeah. Oh yeah, not to drop off. Alright, they should be just out here. There's the pipe there. There's the waiting. So someone just boiled up over there. While we're here, we'll go and do some. Oh, there's one. Yeah, we'll go do a few boats. I think it's more current lines and pipes is where we're going to get them though. Yep. Another white. Better fish. Oh no, it's a little bream. I was going to load up. Yeah, I thought I was going to load up and be another big whiting. Or a big whiting. So he was right on the pipe. So it's just a matter of now going pipe, trying to find a school of big bream. Oh, he's got a long way to go yet. It's alright, that's second cast, we've changed the lures. Oh, another nice flathead.
What's that?
You're a flathead king.
Oh, I wish I wasn't.
Well, the whole object was to try different lures, try different areas, catch fish everywhere you go, and so far you're doing it. Beautiful looking fish, isn't it? There you go. Nice. Not as big as the other one you got, but he's still a nice one.
Seems to have some weight in him.
And today you didn't bring a flathead rake.
Yep.
It's alright. And then sort of look at the colour.
Yeah.
It's a day where any bright Larry colour like it's going to work. Hey, what happened there?
I dropped the flies on the drink.
Oh. Oh, I'll leave it with you, flathead man. Every time it stops raining, I want to take my jacket off. It's so hot, but within seconds it's going to crank again. Another one of your flathead, mate. But I basically just shook that blade into the mud to get in. Done about 5-6 casts hopping. Got a feeling he's a flatty. Oh no. Bream, I think. Yeah, no, little bream. Little bream. I don't know if it made any difference, but I did just put a bit of squidgy juice on it. And I think today with all this fresh in here, they're looking for stuff that smells good. Come on, settle down. Yeah, see, like that one's pointing that way, that one's pointing that way. They're all different directions. That's sort of like a gimme that there could be bream under them. Did you get a whack then? Yeah, good. So what? What? What?
Probably not. Bream swam off from the lure.
What, you got busted off? Oh. Should be.
That's 3 more.
Yep. Well, so everything's going backwards here. So if I was a fish, I'd be here. Oh, here comes the rain again. Those walls holes out there, they're all green, but you can see the green and see where the bream have been feeding.
Yeah, this has got all the clean spots.
Yeah, clean spots on them.
Things.
What did I say? It's not gonna be long, didn't I? Yeah, just had to get to that bush. He's nicer bream. There you go. Finally, that's what we were looking for. It's exactly what we were looking for. Isn't it funny? One stick and one cast, one bream. Little fatty.
He's got some going in it, for sure.
Yeah. Even one of the little fatties running up that canal. Only trouble is, we're already off it. I'll just fan around to see if there's anything else around here.
Which way do you want to head?
I'll get all that off, I'll just fan around.
Down my buddy.
And when you do, we'll motor up and drift back down.
Hey. There, bud.
Going for that sort of presentation, aren't they, more than popping the bottom?
Could be the, because that was I could feel it banging along the bottom.
Yeah.
And I lifted, and that was when I loaded him up.
Yeah.
Just off the bottom.
Yeah, we can find a little honey hole of them. I reckon you get them on surface, but oh, there's one. Ah, missed him. And then I got to leave. Just drift in here a little bit more, and then we'll drive up and do a full drift down in between the stick and the shore. So there's signs of fish being here. I just let it drift. Just do a few casts here, and then we'll drive up and drift back down. Oh, whack again. And again. Little fellas. Yeah, there's one. Another little bream. Oh, don't worry about the net, man. See, we found him.
Oh, there he is.
There he is. There you go. Thank you. Put him in there. You can let him go now. That will be all with that fish. Thank you. All right.
That really is.
So we know that this canal here is going to have them running up at. Oh, just dropped another one. That was another same fish, but like I don't care. I'd be happy to catch them for a half an hour or so. Oh, whack! That was a good one. We found him. Little one. Ah, I dropped him. That's in a foot of water. All right, we found a cool bream. And I can't see him going anywhere like it's a pocket. Hey? No, it's a little atomic. Yeah, got another one. Little fella this time. They're just stacked up in there.
Oh, flatty.
Yeah, little flatty. Little fratty, little hand slapper. Now, you behave yourself. All right, we found a drain full of fish. Oh. All right, we just fished through the bream, and that's how I know we just fished through the bream.
Back down.
Yeah, let's go and do another drift. Now that's an awkward little spot for a flatty. Yes, how we're in the mud now. So we'll just drive right up. We'll go above it. Yep.
The footy would have landed in the water.
No.
Interesting.
What sort of race car were you?
I had a Hyundai XL.
How old?
95.
Oh, okay. G'day, mate. Good, good. I'm out here fishing.
off.
Yeah, when they're water skiing in, you know you've... How did you get that hook down your throat like that? How do they do it? Oh, that was a real fish. Now you need a lesson on how to tie knots.
Oh no, my tummy.
That was a...
My tummy.
There was a tummy.
Did you see him strike it?
Yeah, he was a good fish. I should have turned the camera on, but then now it's gone small. I thought it was a good fish. Must be a flathead. Oh no, little bream. This is where, like, now you find the fish, you know they're in this pocket. You sort of need to slow the boat down normally. Like, this is where a little sea anchor and that comes in handy. I used to just have a, you know, the old dumbbell?
Yeah.
Like just a 5-pound dumbbell. I used to have one of them in my boat, and just on the rope, you just drop it out. It's strong enough to stop the boat, but you can still electric motor with it. But they're stacked up in here, so like, if you wanted real fun, wait till the high tide and go and get them in the canal. I just need a big one now. Yeah, missed you. Missed you again. I'm shaking and getting a whack on the shake. Oh, and again. Yeah. Oh. Should have a bad run with my trebles. I'm going to have to do a video on changing trebles. Yeah. This one's already gone. Oh, whack. Got him. Got him. They're only little. I don't care. Oh. So if you could anchor right now, we'd just catch them. But is that the stick that we were fishing before?
Stick we're fishing before is to the right of it.
Okay. Because I was going to say, I know the tide hasn't lifted yet.
I had the same...
Oh, come on. Little tiny fish. That's alright. We'll just get it fixed. Oh, yeah. Yeah. After that Georges River comp, my hand was like a pin cushion from all these little bream. Come on. Savage now. Might be the end of our filming day if we get...
At least we'll have plenty of batteries, I suppose.
Yeah. I didn't have a fully... I'm hoping I got another battery in the bag. Come on, stop it. Ow! Right on the fingernail.
That bream got me good before. And then I got up the stick.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ran down to pick him up and got him with his skills.
I know, the little ones are the worst. You ever drop a bream on your foot?
No, that's good.
Oh, that was another one. Yeah, you get track marks all the way along your foot. Yeah, there's another one. Come on. It's that shallow that they're actually lifting out of the water. It feels like you got more weight in him, but I might have had him jagged. Oh, no, that was a better fish. Damn. Yeah, I still got the blade on, but just all the hooks have been out now. I've already destroyed. That was a better fish though. Pretty good bream. Straight away, first cast. It's a nice bream, this one. Isn't it funny how it's like, we'll know within seconds whether they're here or not. Bang. Look at the size of him. This is better. This is what we're after. More like these guys. Oh no, he's not as big as I thought. He's good. Might net this too. It's only got light line on. Thank you. And when you get it like that, you could possibly get 4 or 5 fish like him under there. Give me, mate. Where's my blade? There's no blade. Blade's in the net. That's a better fish though. But yeah, so we know where they are. It's taken us all day to work it out, but we know where they are. Oh, we've been getting fish all day. Oh, you can't. What? I am cursed. You know why that fell out? It's already snapped one hook off already. What's that? Cheeky little tailor. Oh, now you need to swing the boat back into that, towards that pipe. Oh, look, another tailor. Yeah, you need to do a loop and go back to that shoreline. Where is he? Oh, that was a good fish. Yeah. See, it's all hand-picked along there. See all the white? Yeah. That's where they are, along here. Because you got pipes coming through. They all eat against the... Yeah. I'll tell you, you'll have just as much fun out of a little boat like this as any boat. Absolute little fish catching weapon. All Reese needs to do is get himself a little foot control for it instead of the hand. Apart from that, perfect. I see, said the blind man. Talking to his deaf son.
That was my grandfather's favourite saying.
Yeah, it's my old man's favourite saying.
That's how I know it. I see, said the blind man.
And every time I tell him I thought of something, he goes, you know what thought done?
Yeah. My mum used to say that. But
Yeah.
it probably come from my pop.
Yep. I only thought he did. Alright, I'll kick that out to you. You want the rope?
Yep.
Look at that, done that before. Believe it or not, this is a main road leading out of Sydney to Western New South Wales. This is a Saturday, the traffic's not even bad. I think in this day and age it'd be 2 lanes, even 3. Just got to get over this bridge and I'm home. It's not too bad though.